So today another amazing run, and I almost hit my friend there snowboarding. So here we had with our little group a nice run down. It was quite quiet on the snow piste runs, and I like to sometimes just go close to my friend to record him with the video. And also here I was quite close to him, so it's always fun to be snowboarding along the French Alps with your friends. It's an amazing feeling, especially with this crazy good weather, which is not always the case. Especially the last couple of years I feel like I always had pretty bad weather, but now the last year or two I feel like the weather is getting better and better, not always in a positive sense, because yes, climate change is real, and especially the ski areas are really suffering. The lower you go, the worse it gets. And here I was saying to my friends, let's get in front of me and we can do a little cool run here with the camera. That's why I really like this view and this camera, the Insta360. It's such a good stable camera, and to have this first point, or like first person point of view, is so nice, and it's so stable, and it's all because of this 360 view. And all of these people, not all my friends, but the people here in front were my friends. It was a very nice run, and as you can see in France and Austria, you still have, in my opinion, one of the best runs in the world to really like. And here I almost hit him actually. So you have like the most amazing long runs you can have, from really going from the top of a mountain down and have these amazing views. And I have pretty good snow too, and pretty good infrastructure, and that's why I really enjoy it. Here I really had to be careful for my friend in yellow. He was quite close, and that's something I realized, that snowboarders and skiers do have a, let's say, a different rhythm of skiing down. It's like a different type of vehicle you're using, but you're on the same road. It's like someone on a bike being on the same road as someone being in a car. So it is different, and it is something I noticed in the last couple of years, that you do have a different type of flow, and it's always nicer to have someone also going with a snowboard. And luckily in my friend group we do have that, which is amazing, of course, to have multiple snowboarders, multiple skiers, and I do love it. I do like skiing too. It's something actually I want to pick up again and start doing some skiing. In one of my other videos I actually did some snow biking, which brought back a bit my good memories about skiing, because it is just something else. The one is not better than the other. I do remember when I was skiing, and I had one time when I broke my arm when I was 12 years old. I decided to stop snowboarding because I broke my arm when I was actually snowboarding, and I decided to stop it and go back to skiing. But only after 1 year I decided, no, I have to go back to snowboarding. Snowboarding is just way more natural feeling, in the sense of doing some kind of sport, than skiing. I do like surfing too, so maybe that's the reason why, but it's a different feeling, and it feels more, let's say, manly too. It's a bit more cool, at least that's my opinion. But anyway, this is the end of the video. We're very close to the end here, and if you enjoy this type of videos, feel free to have a look at my channel. I do a lot of different things. I just document my life and like to voice over it for you guys to enjoy and to show what kind of things I'm thinking about. So feel free to like the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and let me know what you like about these videos so much, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye. And by the way, if you want some NordVPN subscription, I use it, have a look in the description. You can click my link, and then you get something and I get something from it too. So see you another time. Not sponsored. Bye bye.